If HVAC 2 in a saloon is not communicating with TIMS, check for availability of power supply on both the HVAC and the TIMS. Ensure that both the MCB and the rotary switch are in on condition. Also check the MCB and the rotary switch for their lugs and contacts. Both lugs and contacts should be in good condition. Then check pin number C10 and D1 in P2 coupler in HVAC 1 and pin number C5 and C6 in P2 coupler in HVAC 2. Check for loose crimps, broken wires, bent pins, wide sockets, broken modules, broken locks, high voltage and short circuit in pins and sockets. If any of these defects is found, rectify. Check the pin number D4 and D5 in P2 coupler in HVAC 2. If any pin has the above mentioned defects, rectify the defect. Finally, if HVAC 2 in saloon is still not communicating with TIMS, check for high voltage on pins C5, C6, C10 and D1 pins of P2 coupler of HVAC 1. Connect the MMI or the PC on the PLC. If no TIMS mode is present, rectify the number 2 clause and reset the HVAC using MCB or rotary switch.